Let's get rid of that third party in just 5 minutes. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my channel. My name's Candice if you're new here, and on this channel I post every Tuesday and Friday at noon PST, so make sure your bell notifications are on so you never miss another video. Powerful creators, oh my gosh, I have to let you know this, that we just hit 1 year. 1 year of being powerful creator community. I am just so thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being so consistent and so committed and so loyal to my channel. It means the world to me. I cannot thank you enough. Make sure that you go to my description and you're a part of the giveaway that's still going on. You gotta be a part of it. I'm ready to give back to y'all because you've been so good to me. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about third party and how to manifest through having a third party in your situation or competition. Whatever it is you may feel that is keeping you from your manifestation, we're gonna manifest that out of your reality and give you everything you want and desire. So for this activity, you will need a sheet of paper and a pen, pencil, whatever it is, or you can even type this on your phone. It's up to you. We'll be using scripting today and the law of assumption. If you're ready to hear all the things about how to get rid of a third party, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to get rid of this third party or competition in your situation, you are going to first write down the situation as you desire it to be. Don't worry about the third party right now. Don't worry about the competition right now. Write the situation as you would want it to play out. Maybe that's in one sentence, maybe that's in a whole paragraph. Write it in the words you want it to happen and write it in the present tense. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm with this person and they're so obsessed with me, they love me. Or I'm so happy and grateful now that I have this job. It was so easy to get this job. I nailed every interview, something like that. The second thing you're going to do is write down your feelings. I now feel. What is it that you feel now that you're with your specific person, or you got that job, or there's no more competition, you got the offer, whatever it is, what does it feel like right now? You can even use this as an athlete. If you're an athlete and you want to win the game, what are your feelings now that you won this game? So write down, I now feel loved. I feel so happy. I feel so excited. I feel so accomplished. Whatever it is for you. You can even write down, I am a powerful creator and it feels so amazing. The third thing you're going to do is write down your gratitude. I am now so grateful now that I have my specific person in my life. They are so in love with me. They communicate with me every single day. They want to hang out all the time. I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful I got this job. It just feels so amazing to have this job. And I'm just so thankful and grateful. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God, for this job. See how we're using our gratitude. We wrote down the whole situation, how we want it to go. Then we write down our feelings. And then we write down our gratitude. The fourth thing I want you to do is to visualize. When I mean visualize it, you've already done that. You've already done the visualization by writing all this down. What you're gonna do is every night before bed, 5 minutes before bed, you're gonna read your paper out loud, the whole thing out loud. You can whisper it, you don't need to scream it and yell it. If you want to, you can do that. I mean, that's so good for your feelings. But whatever you want to do, I want you to read this paper every single night before bed, right before bed. Do your best to not pick up your phone after you've read your paper. Just keep reading it over and over until you fall asleep. This should take 5 minutes before you go to bed. So once you feel yourself, dozing off or whatever, you can just read it and then you doze off. Maybe that was 1 minute, maybe that was 30 seconds. As long as you read this paper every single night, it will go into your subconscious mind and create your reality. So what you're doing here is you are using the law of assumption. You are assuming that everything is working out for you. Start assuming that there is no third party. Assume that there is no competition in your life. That you are the best candidate. You are the best girlfriend, boyfriend. You are the best partner for that person. Whatever it is, you are the only one. And what I suggest is to pretend that third party is not around. And that's what you're doing by writing the situation as you want it to go. So you're assuming right then and there that there's just no third party. There's no competition. What third party? See no third party, hear no third party. I speak no third party, because there is no third party. You have to be diligent like that. And you do not react to anything in the 3D. Any circumstances, you do not react to that because of the law of assumption. You assume that everything is working out for you. That you assume that you are the best powerful creator, that you are the best manifester, and you are living in your own reality. So you can create this. Let me give you 2 examples. Michael Jordan used visualizations and the law of assumption to win a lot of his games. I mean, probably all of them he used this law of assumption. Right before a game, he would just assume that he was already going to win. He would cheer in his locker room and he would say, I'm so grateful and thankful I have won this game. This is so exciting. He would just visualize it, that he was already getting the trophies, he was already being congratulated to. Watch my video on the power of the congratulations technique. That is gonna help you as well to get rid of that third party. Wait. There's no third party, right? There's no third party. We're assuming the situation, there's no third party. Do it like Michael Jordan. Visualize it every single night before you go to bed, and watch how your life will change. The second example is Kanye West. Kanye West knew that Kim Kardashian was with, I forget his name, with her husband at the time, who she was married to for like 72 days, I don't know. Anyways, she was married. Kim Kardashian was married, but Kanye said, that's my wife. That's my wife. Kanye used the law of assumption. He assumed that was his wife. And what happened? She got divorced, she started dating Kanye, and she became his wife. Use the law of assumption just like Kanye. He didn't care about a third party. He did not care that she was married. It's kind of crazy. And you know, what is for you is for you. And come to find out, that relationship Kim was married, that was not a good relationship. So therefore the universe worked that out for him, for Kanye. So assume the situation, assume that everything's working out for you, declare it, say, that's my man, that's my man, I declare it, that's my girlfriend, I declare it, that's my partner, I declare it, that's my job, I declare it, that's my job, this is my game, this is my win, I declare it, and that's where it comes into the last part. You need to write down, I declare it. I declare it. What I speak becomes my reality. Write that down too. What I speak becomes my reality. What I declare becomes my reality. Comment that below. What I declare becomes my reality. So watch your words. If you're gonna focus on a third party, that third party is gonna expand and expand, and you're not gonna get what you desire. But if you focus on what you want, then you will bring in your desires quickly. So where you focus, expand. So what you declare is what becomes your reality. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching today's video. Use the law of assumption to get what you desire. It's so simple. Just use it to your advantage. And the powerful creator of this video is They Loves Ani. They Loves Ani, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means a lot. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment the secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on I Remember When technique by Neville Goddard. It is absolutely incredible, and you gotta watch it if you want to get rid of these competition mindset, third party that doesn't exist mindset. Go watch that video. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching, and I hope you have the most beautiful and loving day. I love you so much, and I will speak to you in my next video. Have a good day.